Okay, let's go.
So what are we doing today?
In today's video, we're going to preview Amazon's top 10 essentials for cruising.
Nice.
Viewers will have a chance to win one of these items.
Welcome to Gen X Cruise Life. If the MTV you watched after school still played music videos, then this is the cruise channel for you.
So let's get to the products. The first two items are to help you with your packing.
Right. First of all, we're going to talk about compression bags. This is a good deal. $22.99 for 12 bags. You get the 3 jumbo, 3 large, 3 medium, 3 small, and the 3 jumbos alone would probably take care of all your stuff. And we like this one because it comes with a pump, which is really nice because when you're on the cruise ship and it's time to go home, you know, it was easy to do it at home to suck all your stuff down into a real nice small size. But then when you want to do that on the ship, you know, you're sitting there fighting it, but with the pump, you can get it done.
You take the pump with you, you can pack it.
That's right.
Plastic, it fits in your suitcase. You can take it on the airplane.
And we like this one because it's a pretty good value and it's got 30,000 views or 30,000 reviews.
30,000 reviews, yes.
Yeah.
Almost 5 stars, 4.4 stars.
That's pretty good. Next item is a hanging toiletry bag.
The reason why I like this is because you can fit full-size shampoo bottles, conditioners, you have room for a lotion, you have room for a body wash. You don't have to take those small traveling size containers. So this is going to be enough for a week or two. It comes in 5 different colors. Again, the thing that I like the most about this is that it fits the full-size bottles because we always run out.
The next 2 items are must-haves for your cabin.
And the first one is a portable fan. Now,
live without it.
Now, we just did a story on a previous cruise news episode, and we're going to link to it here, about a Carnival passenger that tried to take one of those Bell & Howell plug-in fans onto the ship, right?
Yeah,
and it got confiscated.
That's right.
Well, this one's not going to get confiscated. This is a 6-inch fan, which is actually smaller than most cruise ships allow. Most cruise ships will allow up to a 12-inch fan, but this one's magnetic. So you can attach it to the walls of the ship or to the ceilings of the ship. And it's rechargeable. You can either charge it through a power cord or through USB.
The next must-have item are earplugs.
This is a must-have item if your spouse likes to snore.
I really don't know what she's talking about.
Cruise ships can get pretty loud. There's lots of strange noises. So if you're disturbed by that, if you're kept up at night by that, these earplugs will drown out most noises and help you sleep.
You know, if you decide to let the cruise ship pick where your cabin's going to be to save a few extra bucks, you might end up underneath the nightclub, and you're going to want these earplugs, that's for sure. Or you get stuck next to the honeymooners. The next item is for your overall comfort.
So what a lot of people experience on cruise ships are having your feet and ankles swell. And what most people don't realize is all the water on the ship is from the desalinization plant that they have on the ship. They're taking ocean water and they're desalinizing it. I can't say that. So all of the water, all of the ice cubes, the coffee, the tea, all the food that they make is all made with this water. And even though it may not taste salty, there is a higher level of sodium in it. So you do retain water.
Right.
So these socks are awesome and they're cute and they come in so many different colors for men and for women. So if the men out there, they get the swollen ankles, there's definitely some styles here for you as well. And you'll see this a lot on the cruise groups. People talking about this, that this is an issue. And this helps. I take them and I swear by them.
With the extra salt in the water and all the walking that you end up doing a lot of times at the ports, you know, you can't go wrong.
You just sleep in them. You don't have to wear them during the day.
Well, they are quite the fashion accessory. Finally, the last 5 items are for port days or the pool.
So the first item is this Anchor portable charger. So how this works is you charge the charger in your room and then you can take it with you either to the pool or to the ports, and then you can use it typically to charge 2 devices. There's enough of a charge in this portable charger to charge 2 iPhones and almost 2 Androids.
This is a great thing because if you're like a lot of people and you like to get off on the port day and call everybody you know because you've got some signal.
FaceTime the kids.
That's right. FaceTime the kids, take all the pictures, get all that stuff. You're going to wear through the battery on your phone.
Right.
You can take this device, plug it in, recharge your phone, and keep going after it. Our kids swear by it. They've had these things for years. And this one's highly rated.
It's fantastic and it's low cost. Definitely worth it. This next item is a water-resistant beach bag or tote bag. This is a great size because you could put your water bottles in there, you could put your portable charger in there, you could put your pool towels in there from the ship, and you don't have to worry about everything inside getting all wet.
This is so your department. I really don't have much to add.
I take one of these on every single cruise. I think I need to get a new one because mine looks pretty shoddy.
Yeah, the liner's ripped out.
And it comes in all these cute different designs and colors. And of course, if you get the one with the pineapple, well, you know what the upside down pineapple means on the cruise ship. And if you don't, Google it.
Yeah, and if you're all about that life, this bag will help you advertise that.
So the next item is this handheld fan that you can take with you to the pool or to port days.
I got a quick question.
Okay.
Can you take this one to the club in Carnival?
It's not the clacking fan that's been banned.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This one's okay?
This one's okay. Yeah.
In the club?
In the club.
Okay.
And you can recharge this as well with the USB charger. So you'll get several hours out of it. Our 2 younger kids swear by this. They take this to Disney World all the time, take it on cruises. And they kind of introduced us to this, and now we can't live without it.
Sometimes you get on these trams on these islands to go on these excursions, and there's no air conditioning.
Yes.
And if you got that charger and you've got this fan,
right,
you're set.
You're set.
Sitting there holding that fan.
Spray yourself with some water.
That's right. This next item is right up my alley. Have you seen me? I need a hat.
Yeah,
I have to have a hat in the sun.
This is a cooling bucket hat. You can actually get this wet, wring it out, put it on your head. It'll keep you cool for up to 2 hours. This
has good reviews, but it makes the cut too because of all the different colors you get to choose. This is going to have something basically for anybody.
Yeah, it has over 25,000 reviews. So this is a popular item.
Yeah, and even if you're not fair-skinned like me, you need to keep the sun off you, especially if you're out in the tropics and it's beating down on you.
Yeah, we're Gen X. We used to lay out with baby oil. We need to do everything we can to keep that melanoma away.
That's right. And if you were out of baby oil, maybe it was Vaseline, because, just roll that dice. Now, we talked about this item on our last Amazon video.
The Amazon Prime, yes.
That's right. And this is a fantastic deal because you get 3 pairs for $20, sunglasses. I say it all the time, don't bring your good sunglasses on the cruise ship, because you're going to set them down next to the pool, or you're going to put them on the beach, and who knows what's going to happen. You don't want to lose your good sunglasses. But at basically $6 a piece, $7 a piece.
Take all 3.
Take all 3.
Yeah, I've lost my sunglasses in the ocean. I've been hit by a wave, tumbled by a wave, and the sunglasses are gone.
Yeah, UV protection, 3 pairs. Looks like you get 3 different styles. I mean,
yeah,
you
a pair and 2 spares.
Yeah, and 2 spares. Guys, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and leave us a comment to be entered to win. Remember, write in the comment which of these items that you'd like to have, and we're going to randomly draw from one of those comments. Right,
September the 1st, we're going to use one of those comment randomizer, comment pickers, and we're going to make a video showing that live, so you'll be able to see that on September the 1st. Oh, I forgot to mention, you can enter up to 5 times.
Yeah, so don't forget, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it.
5 times.
Yeah, you can enter up to 5 times. That's a pretty good deal. Yeah. And we're a new channel. That's the most important thing. We're a new channel. We don't have a ton of people watching. We do appreciate you guys watching. We do appreciate you, yes. But the chances of winning are really good. Yep. Yeah. All right, thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching.